Where is this idiot again? Where did this one? What is going on in my house? Hey! What is going on? Look at this idiot. What are you? By the time I'm done with you, you will know what brought you here. I left the whole house for you, and look at what you did with these demonic children. Open the gate first. Idiot. What? You dare stop? Are you mad? No, stop again. That punishment will be doubled. Oh my God, I made this idiot. So far, because you don't have sense. If you like, collapse. Children like that will be the ones deceiving you. Instead of you to teach them the right way, they should go as an adult. You're joining them to misbehave. Stop. If you don't die today, idiot. Senseless fool. Since you I will not have peace in my own house. None of you will have peace in this house. Stop again. Do it well. Please, name. Idiots.
Hey! Salobua, walawo. Hey! Now which kind of job be this one? Ha! Sapa, you don't insult my generation. Just because of small merriment. Birthday, I never do since they born me. Small thing what I do with those children, will love me. Now die, now I won't die put. Hell! See my waist. Salobua lao. Deliver me, oh!
Look at them! You want to come and inconvenience me in my house? Will you go to my bar again? No! If you go, I should kill you. I should kill you. I should kill you.
My own friend.
I was looking for you. I didn't know you were at the back of the house. What is it? Huh?
My wife. You won't understand. Sometimes a man needs time to sit back and to reflect. Each time I remember what happened in the city, how the government destroyed our house and rendered us homeless. The things that transpired that brought us back to this village.
Can you imagine? Is this my compound? Dates everywhere. Can you imagine? Look at this. This is hygienic felony. Now, am I living with animals in this compound? Or I have pigs as tenants? And even human beings? Just look at everywhere. Come. Mama Emma. Mama Emma. Hi. Just look at my compound. Now, and this one that calls herself Taylor. You say you don't have money. You fry chicken every day. But you cannot take out your landlord. It's alright. Good morning, landlord. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. And you are changing God like me. Look at you.
What is good in the money for you? Tell me, both of you. What is good in the money? Huh? Your mates go to work in the morning and come back in the evening. For you, you go in the evening and come back in the morning. What exactly do you do? Huh? What do you do? Tell me.
You are tired. You need to go and rest. Sure. The landlord person no go rest again for compound which day.
Wait, just hold it there. You are tired. Tell me, what did you do? Oh, what is wrong with me, sir? I know exactly what you did. All shapes and sizes. Big, small, slim, fat. Why would you be tired? Eh? Look at you. Dirty pigs. Look at the compound you are living in. You can't even clean it. Eh?
Oga landlord. Now only us go dey clean the whole compound. We don't do our own cleaning now.
Oh. You've done your own cleaning. What exactly did you clean? No, tell me. Oh God, what is wrong with me again? I know what you clean. Look at it. You clean. Every time clean. From night till morning, you clean. But you cannot clean your compound. You are all very stupid. If not that you are paying your rent, I would have sacked you from this compound this minute. Idiots! Get out!
Let's not go rest for house.
Look at them. Look at them after cleaning. Idiots. Where is this DJ? This womanizer, right? DJ! Where is he?
So,
man is so big. Oh.
Yes, now. You come here, go like this. You see that place there, there's a beacon there?
Yes.
Then up to this point. You see the drain.
My love.
It seems there's a problem with the compound.
This time is not. You must be those my useless tenants. Hey, my love, what is it this time? Who?
You saw those useless runs girls in our compound. I passed though. They did not notice me. I now slapped Ejiro. Ejiro and Bisola joined hands together and beat me up.
Hey! Odos, some people are dead. They are dead already. So they beat you up?
Yes, so they beat me up. They really dealt with me.
Hey! Be prepared to receive some people this afternoon. Be prepared to receive some dead bodies.
Hey! Achebe?
Yes!
You have to calm down. But you said you know.
How can you ask me to calm down? So useless people, not just ordinary people, my tenants, beat up my wife, and you ask me to calm down? Oh no! Oh God! I'm sending some people to hell. Oh, hey, be ready to receive them. My wife, let's go.
Just like that. Okay.
People ask where they should this. People will find where they should this dress. Very difficult. People is no, that's where don't come to.
I will kill you today. I will kill you. You want to kill me? No. I'm not afraid. First of all, you beat up my wife. I will kill you. I will to talk to you. My heart is peppering. My heart is peppering. What's that, landlord? Hey! Landlord, you go get Bessie. Landlady, hold your husband though. Make it no for. What did I do, landlord?
Wait. Who can be J-boy? Okay, no, they call J-boy.
See yourself. Now we got about landlord they pursue. My heart is peppering me. Who I think that they do person?
Oh no.
There is nothing you are going to tell me about these girls. Don't even attempt to beg for them. I mean, how can you beat up your own landlady and expect to still remain in that house? No, now. That is practically impossible.
Calm down. Relax. Listen to me, Achebe. I know she's your wife. I am not disputing that with you. But at the same time, I am not also praying that anything bad should happen to her. These girls, they've come to you now. They have come to beg you. They have apologized to you. All you need to do is to just forgive them. You are the landlord of this house. Equally, you are also the father to them all. But sometimes... Anyway, I beg. Now beg, I beg you. No vex. Forgive them.
Onos, you are pleading on their behalf now because they are from the same place with you. Yes, now.
Achebe, please. Now that won't make you not carry come at all. I am pleading because this issue now woman matter and I be. And they're not the carry woman matter for like where person carry bottle of beer for hand. People forget about this thing now. I am making a promise. I will personally go to them and talk some sense into their head. Just give me the benefit of doubt and it will never happen again. It's a promise.
Onos,
for the fact that we are friends for life.
Anyway, like you said, we are friends.
Thank you.
Let me see what I can do. If not, they didn't try at all.
Achebe!
Beat my Amaka.
They're not try. Strong man. Hey!
No, what they did wasn't right now.
You're not good.
How can they beat up my wife? Amaka for that matter.
A whole lot lady.
Hey! Chapol, am I that small? Can the peasant that in my husband's compound, my tenants cannot greet me again, okay? Okay, no problem. So what do Ashawo. Whoa.
Excuse me, who is Ashawo? Are you not Ashawo? Are you not? Don't touch me. And what will you do? What will you do if I touch you again? What will... You slap me? You slap me? You slap me?
What is going on here? So ashamed of all of you. Now both of you come here. Neither Stand here, idiot! Huh? Why you what? Shift forward. And you come here, leave that here. Quick! Leave that before I break your head, idiot. So, both of you are not ashamed of yourselves. How can you fight a fellow woman because of a man? And you are not ashamed. You joined your friend to beat a fellow woman. Eh?
But Oga Landlord, she's the one that came here to come and put up a fight.
Shut that your dirty mouth, idiot. Huh? How can you do this? Now, by the way, who is that man?
Oga Landlord, she knows say the guy na my boyfriend. She's still the runner.
Who is your boyfriend? Who is your boyfriend? I'm asking.
She's still the talk. Look at this Alika.
The one where I beat you, not do you. You see, you.
I'm here, you're still quarreling. You idiot! Now, both of you, I'm thoroughly ashamed of you. And I will deal with you. You know the penalty of fighting in my compound. You know? Quickie?
Oga Landlord, you want quickie?
You are ready. Sorry. I have a very beautiful wife there.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Mamaka is enough for me. I don't do such rubbish. Now, it's either you pay the penalty or I give you quick notice. Okay? Now get up and run.
Let's say to you.
Get up and run. Get up. Are you? Alele, out of the compound. So you think I'm joking, eh? You think I'm joking? I told you, if you don't pay my rent, I will give you quickie.
Oga Landlord, I was about to come to pay you.
Oga Landlord, please, it has not gotten to that.
Now you pay. You are holding the area that you clean. You are very stupid. If you like, beg from now till tomorrow. I have written the quickie, and the quickie, you must look at this one. Taylor. Yesterday it was fried chicken. Now look at this one. Sardine, Coke. She has finished the egg with cold pure water. Don't worry, oh. It's just that you've paid. If not, your own quickie would have been here. And you take your quickie. Quit. Notice.
Please now, go pay. My friend just went for daybreak last night. She will soon come. She's on her way coming. Please.
What did you call that? Daybreak. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Eh? Everything down, so it is waste that you used to make money, eh? Daybreak, big, tall, fat, short. Quit. Notice. This is what I call quickie. Take your quickie. Both of you, look at it very well. Read the notice very well. Make sure you pass from my house. For you are lucky that you paid. If not, I would have given you one. Now, go and read this notice very well. Read it! If not, you will speak with my lawyer. And you will go to court. Today. You pay today. Yes. DJ! DJ! Come on, DJ! Come on, plantain! Huh? With, what is it? Eggs! Hey! With tomatoes and pepper. You see? And your landlord has not eaten. Anyway, Taylor, you are lucky that you paid your rent. If not, I would have given you one of my cookies. Idiots. Are you? Where are these people? Bisola? What is the name of the other guy? Ejiro?
I hope there's no problem.
Shut up. Where is Ejiro?
She went out last night.
Oh, she went out last night to Yatano? Idiots. Went out last night.
What is it now?
You see, beat you. You see, have mouth to ask me questions. Now, this is your cookie. Quit notice.
Galano, you never reach like this. Now go pay now. I just told you that my roommate went out last night. She will soon come. She's on her way coming. She's coming with the money. We'll come and pay, please.
Okay. Went out last night. Come this morning. Come check it. Don't you know how to read? When she comes back, both of you should read it. If not, my lawyer will visit you. Idiot. Come on here. Where is Mama? Get out from my room. Get out of my way. Mama, Mama, oh, she is cooking also. Okay, your cookie is here. I know you lock yourself inside your room. This is your cookie. Make sure you read it. Idiots. Where is it, DJ? DJ! You want me to break your head? Idiot! DJ! 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 Where is it? DJ! DJ, where are you? DJ, come down. You are standing on top of me. I said, come down. Idiot. Did you go to school?
Yes, sir.
You went to school? Good. Take. Cookie.
Listen to this one.
The guy that you this one now. You don't do this one. Now, you pay the money or you quit. QED. Quod erat demonstrando.
Wait.
Apart from your boyfriend not paying,
Okay.
I will give you a special room in this compound. Nancy. You know you are very beautiful.
Oh, are you serious?
Look at your lips. See, your boyfriend, he will not pay rent again.
Oh, landlord, are you serious? Oh.
Look. See, and you, I want you to move into this compound. I have a special room for you. I'll put AC inside. So that I can see you. Look at you. Wait. Come, let me touch you.
Excuse me, sir.
DJ. Come now. Which one are you fobbing like this? DJ.
Sir?
Did you see anything?
Anything like what?
Are you not a guy man again? No, you know what I'm talking about now. Tell me now.
I don't see anything, no. Nothing. Now your wife will call me. I won't go see her. Man, that's what she's coming for.
My wife?
Yes.
Okay. DJ, come now. Are you not a guy boy again? This your ring. Looks like diamond.
I don't know. It could be diamond.
Is there anything you want me to do for you? Anything?
Landlord. Landlord.
DJ.
Landlord.
Yeah, DJ.
Just if I tell you, you go give me a...
Give it to the dog. That boyfriend and girlfriend. What's the one side?
DJ, come here.
Lily, wait for me, I'm coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come here! Idiot! Are you okay? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Every day, you must come here with a woman. Are you not tired? Last week, Angelina. This week, Agnes. Maybe next week, you will get Angelo. Eh? Are you not tired? This is your waste. Do you use it to spin women or it is record that you spin as DJ? Eh?
All these names where they call Angela, this nothing concern me and them. You see this one where you see now I carry pass here. This one be my main babe. This one be my baby.
Hey, shut up! This is an excellent dead. You think I'm stupid? Last week you came with one. You thought I forgot it. You said that one was your main babe. Now you brought another one now. She's your main babe. Mr. Mena. Your own is your main babe. Shut up. Now when I talk, what do you talk? Look, I'm only advising you as a father figure. If not, I don't really care. If you like, kill yourself. Enter inside and swim in it. Continue to swim. Continue to swim. But whatever the outcome is, the consequences, be ready to carry it. Now get out. Get out, idiot! You can't rest. Every day, one woman. Every day, one woman. Are you a dog? You see how far?
Babe, so far. No, good. I have to do something.
Wait, oh. You don't say this guy no get taste at all. Ejiro. What are you doing with him? Beg. She can't talk without there. I never talk waiting this boy do on that job. I don't know whether they clean on that. This is very well. I make my own.
God damn! What is smelling like this? I mean, what is oozing in my compound? Huh? Look at you covering your nose.
Okay, landlord. What is smelling again if not the soccer pit? It don't burst again though.
You mean you people have used your shit to fill my soccer pit? You bring your girlfriend, DJ. You bring your girlfriends, multitude of them to come and fill my soccer pit. Something that I spent a huge sum of money to fix. It's not up to how many months? How many months since I fix it? Okay. This time around, all of you are going to pay very huge fine. Huh? Huge fine.
How? Shebi will tell you say make you carry good people wey sabi this work. Come fix this soccer pit. Shebi will tell you. You go carry those cheap fools. They come there can't do nonsense. I dey watch them. They do nonsense. Rain don fall now. The water don go enter inside soccer pit. Burst the thing again. Now you wan come put the blame on us. Now landlord abeg o abeg.
Oga landlord, me I no get any money to pay this time around. I no get money. Me I no dey pay any shishi. Money no dey. Money no dey.
Where are you running?
I no dey pay.
No, tell me where you're running. I'm sure you are tired of living in this my compound. I am going to give you my quickie. Now all of you will pay huge fine. Idiots. Okay, we shall see. Okay, don't worry.
You will be the boy, don't get 1 naira to contribute. After all, my mother dey sick. Money no dey.
Who is that idiot that spread this cloth on top of my clothes? Who is that idiot? Boy. What is what? Why did you shift my clothes? So you are that idiot, that fool that sprayed that dirty thing on top of my clothes, right?
You're looking for my trouble. You're looking for my trouble. Go and shift. Go and keep that. Go and keep my bedsheet the way I kept it before.
Oh.
Go and bring that bedsheet and go and keep it the way.
I don't blame you. It's not your fault.
Go and keep my bedsheet the way I kept it before. If not, you're not passing this place.
Don't dare me. You get it. Don't.
Come and pass. Let me see. Push. You're looking for my trouble. You're looking for my trouble.
The one where I beat you the other time, no do you for body, Abi.
Go and keep my clothes.
Oh yeah, touch me again. You go. What nonsense. The one where I beat you, no do you, ba? The one where I beat you, no do you. The one where I beat you, no do you. The one where I beat you, no do you. You will see what I will do to you today. You are very stupid to say that you can fight me in this compound. You must be mad. I will show you what madness look like. Are you mad? Come on, give your hand one place. You want to? Oh, you are talking with me. I'm holding your.
Yeah. My feeling they tell me say this noise when I dey hear so. Now from your company they from the combo. Abi you know the hearer. Eh? Make I even ask you. The girls the way you park move for compound as tenants. They know the rest. They know the tire.
Nose.
I dey hear you.
Oh, nose. I'm beginning to regret. I'm beginning to regret giving these girls accommodation in my compound.
Okay.
Yes. I'm regretting. Huh? I mean, every day, one trouble. Every day, one trouble. Don't worry. They will soon chop quick notice. They will chop quick notice.
Now, waiting at the expect.
Okay.
But wait. The simple truth they say, you, I mean...
Hey, don't even go there. Don't go there. Look, I'm a married man. And I love my wife. How do you expect me to go and sleep with those harlots? And on top of that, why should I sleep with my tenants? No. I'm a decent man.
I never said anything.
No, but you insinuated it. I just wanted to stop you so that you don't even try it at all. My wife is very beautiful, Amaka.
Sorry, sir.
What is it? Look, forget about that subject. That man there, I'm beginning to get it.
It's long overdue. I've been expecting you to talk about it.
I want to buy.
Can you imagine? That low-class Ashawo has the guts to fight me in this compound. Who are you talking about? Nancy, of course you know now.
Jesus Christ. Nancy came to this compound. Where was I?
Babe, you know see they know the house now.
You should have called me now.
Oh, babe, but trust me, I know they carry last. I gave her the beating of her life.
No. I would have shown her the difference between the leg of a cow and capital B. What is wrong with that girl? So she has the... Okay, what did the compound people do?
This thing pay me, eh? But those stupid idiots, what did they want to do? What?
Just watch.
They cannot do anything. You should know that now. But trust me, I gave her
I
the beating of her life.
I miss on this one.
I promise her the next time she tries this nonsense, I will give her... Oh Jesus, even heaven will not stand by her that day.
Exactly.
Heaven! Oh Jesus.
And
anyway,
I will be around.
I don't blame her.
I'll break her. That her two tiny legs. I'll break it.
That idiot where they manage for this compound. That idiot. May she no problem. Next time this fight, we are not done. We will still fight again. Babe, trust me now, we'll still fight again.
We
I'm
will
not
the
done.
fight. It's not over yet.
Me
until I am involved. Until I break that her two tiny legs.
Hey, no now.
No problem.
What kind of ridiculous thing is this? This Bisola Arejiro? Eh? No, look at them. Eh? Pants, G-string. If local government people enter this my house now, they will think that I'm rearing Okpo. Hey. Just look at them. Let me see. It touched my nose.
that their name? Ejiro, Bisola, whatever. I can't touch this thing with my hand. Come on, go. God, the useless people messing up my compound. Eh? Look at G-string, or what do they call it? Tiny room. You see that? This place. No shame again. A woman will wear a trouser. You will see the division of the lobe. They are not even ashamed anymore. I pity women of this day. In our days, it wasn't like that. No.
Let's not go hear word every day from one problem to the other. What is his business with the pant we will spray for this place? I hope say he never even touch this pant self. Because that man nowhere. That man is not well. I hope this man is not well. I hope he didn't touch this pant. Because this man can do undo. The eye no clear. What is? Every time this man will not rest in his house. He'll be working for place to another, tiptoeing. Looking for something to choke his mouth inside. I have told Ejiro for us to pack out of this compound. Ejiro will not hear. She will go out, she will come back empty. Do you know she will free? I'm tired of that girl. I will leave her. I'm tired of this girl.
I don't even know what. I don't even know what to do.
DJ!
Sir? Okay, hello. Good morning, sir.
My husband, you're welcome.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. What are you doing with my wife here? Huh?
Sir,
I am the one that called him to assist me.
Yes.
To assist you? With what?
The pump. It was faulty.
Exactly.
The pump is faulty. Yes. And he's assisting you here in front of the compound. Where is the pump here? Eh? Now, Oga Assista, let me warn you. If you ever come to meet my wife again in my house, particularly when I'm not around, oh, I pity what will happen to you. You're finished now. Get out. Leave job. Assista, you want to assist with pump, and you are assisting right in front of my house. This closeness. All right, we shall see. And you.
What is all this, Ajebe? I don't want to solve it. I can't take it anymore. What are the insults? Huh? What are the insults?
Which insult are you talking about my wife?
Tell him. What were you insinuating? What?
I am not insinuating anything. All I am saying is that I don't trust that DJ. I don't trust him at all. Let me tell you, if anything happens, oh God, I will commit murder and I will commit suicide. Pari pursue.
Ajebe?
Yes, oh.
Ajebe?
Yes.
Wait. So you want to tell me that you don't trust me, your wife?
See, it's not a question of my not trusting you. I trust you. But I don't trust that young man. I don't trust him at all. I don't want to see him near you again, oh. I don't want to. I'm protecting my investment, my interest.
Wait! Stop shouting! What's your problem?
Are you not shouting?
What's the problem, Ajebe? So this is how you degrade me. Wait, is this what you think of me? Is this what you think of me, Ajebe?
I am not talking of thinking. I'm talking of doing. Don't go near that boy. I don't trust him.
Ajebe?
Yes.
Ajebe?
That is my name.
Ajebe?
Yes, that's my name.
I am highly disappointed at you.
Good. You can be disappointed, you can be appointed, but I am protecting my investment. You know how much I paid on you? You know?
Ajebe?
Yes?
Ajebe, you are a disgrace.
I'm a disgrace?
Yes.
I am happy to be disgraced, but I am protecting you. How can that small boy, you want to fetch water from where the well I'm fetching water from? Why?
Hey! Ajebe!
Yes, it's me. What is it? I am not going.
Hello, Amaka. Amaka. Amaka, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Look, there's something I want you to understand, though. Can you just let me talk? Whatever happens, I want you to understand the fact that he's still your husband. Yes, I know. I know you're upset. Make you not vex, eh? I know say you're not supposed to do him at all. I beg. Make you calm down. I go come. Yes, I go come. I beg. Just calm down till I come. Oh? I go definitely come now. I go come. Eh? If we not because of yam chop oil, we go because of oil chop yam. May you calm down. Thank you for respecting me. I will come. When I come, we'll settle this whole thing. Thank you. What kind of problem is this? Now wow.
Come on. My morning sunshine. My jewel of inestimable value. Amax. My money due. Look, the Amaka that marks the beginning and the ending of my life. Amaka whose parts are the parts to my joy. Amixco. My lovey, my popoli. The only sugar in my tea. The only cockroach in my cupboard. I am sorry. I swear. It will never happen again. I swear. What do you want me to swear with? Okay. I will swear with my father's grave. If it happens again, I will enter the grave to go and meet my father. Laugh now. When you're making your face like this, you are piggerizing what I'm saying, but just try. You see? Look, you are a beauty queen, or if you don't know, you are a beauty queen. You are a beauty queen, or you are so beautiful. Amixco. Pepperisco. Let's go inside.
You promise it will happen again?
It will never, I swear.
You promise?
If it happens again, let me have my bath naked. You see, when you laugh like this, come, let's go. I want to show you what love really is. What love got to do with it. Let's go inside. Come now. Amixco.
You feel like this is quite serious.
Wow. Seriously?
I'll game you.
Fine. You should have this way time say, you know where? You won't go village, go take rest.
Babe, I'm coming. Let me just take this call, okay? Please. Hello?
Hello. Baby, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I hope you are getting better.
I'm good. I'm getting better. I'm actually at the pharmacy Yes, I came to get some drugs.
I just called to check up on you, Sha.
That's so sweet of you. Thank you very much.
No problem. No problem. I'll be waiting for you. Okay.
You too. Just take good care of yourself, okay? Yeah. I love you. Alright. Bye. Babe.
Who is she? Who are you talking to?
That's the lady I told you about.
Which lady?
The one that is processing my visa. Come on now, I'm just trying to play along. You know how all these ladies be now. She don't see fine boy, she's a cheap, so I just got to play along so that this thing will come out. Come on now.
Bad boy.
Now you don't make me bad.
You're bad by yourself.
Calm down. I will show you how bad boys are. Come on. You don't make me bad. Calm down.
I beg. You trust? You love me. Okay.
These girls. I warn you. You are going to leave my compound. Eh? What are you talking about? Suppose somebody had died. Eh? What would I have done?
You know I am...
I know nothing. I know nothing. You call yourself DJ. What are you DJing? Spinning their waist. Spinning their bottom. That is your DJ work, right? Eh?
No, sir. No, sir.
Look, I'm giving you 2 days. 2 days to pack your things and leave my compound. And that is final. You don't call me again, idiot! 2 days!
Okay, Landlord, please now, please. Please, sir. Okay, Landlord.
I served chief for 5 years. 5 freaking years! What did I get in return? Nothing! Nothing! Not even a penny. May I remind you, I lost my mom. I lost my mom in the process. I went to chief. I begged, but instead I was bullied out of his office with the security.